small tools create big impact, and choosing the best heavy-duty garlic press can transform the way you cook, saving time while unlocking richer flavors with effortless precision, from busy home cooks to passionate. There are many heavy-duty garlic press to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best heavy-duty garlic press from top brands. This product can really help people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. The Kitessensu High-Effective Garlic Press is a powerful and thoughtfully designed kitchen tool that transforms garlic preparation into a quick, effortless task, featuring 37 precisely aligned spikes that maximize efficiency by perfectly matching the chamber holes to extract every bit of garlic, whether cloves are peeled or unpeeled, delivering a smooth, ready-to-use paste while neatly keeping the skins inside, reducing waste and mess. Its ergonomic, streamlined handle ensures a comfortable grip and easy pressing action without excessive force, making it ideal for both home cooks and professional kitchens, while the heavy-duty zinc construction guarantees durability, strength, and resistance to corrosion or odor retention even after repeated use, ensuring long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance, as it cleans easily under running water without requiring additional tools. Beyond garlic, this versatile press is perfect for crushing ginger, herbs, chilies, seeds, and even soft nuts, adding convenience and flexibility to your cooking routine, and users appreciate its solid build, smooth finish, and efficient performance, noting how quickly it minces garlic with minimal effort, making it a reliable and practical addition to any kitchen setup, backed by a satisfaction guarantee for complete peace of mind. Number 2. The Zulay Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set is a must-have kitchen tool designed for effortless garlic and ginger preparation, combining durability, efficiency, and user-friendly design in one compact gadget, crafted from food-grade, rust-resistant materials to ensure long-lasting performance while maintaining hygiene and freshness. Featuring built-in studs that effectively extract maximum paste from each clove within seconds, even when using unpeeled garlic, eliminating sticky residue and strong odors on your hands, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip and requires minimal pressure, making it ideal for frequent use in both home and professional kitchens, delivering smooth, finely minced garlic that blends perfectly into any recipe, from sauces and dressings to meats and vegetables, saving valuable prep time compared to manual chopping. And when it comes to cleaning, simply rinse under running water or place it in the dishwasher for quick maintenance, though hand washing is recommended to preserve its finish. Users appreciate its sturdy, heavy-duty feel, ease of use, and consistent performance, along with the added value of included accessories like a peeler and cleaning brush. And despite occasional durability concerns, the lifetime warranty and responsive customer service ensure complete peace of mind, making this garlic press a reliable and worthwhile addition to any kitchen. Number 3. The Gorilla Grip Garlic Press and Peel Set is a versatile, heavy-duty kitchen essential designed to make garlic preparation faster, easier, and more efficient, featuring an ergonomic, slip-resistant handle with built-in finger notches that a secure and comfortable grip while requiring minimal effort to squeeze, making it ideal for daily use without straining your hands. While the large zinc alloy chamber is built to accommodate multiple small cloves, or even a single large elephant garlic clove, delivering powerful crushing performance with consistent results every time. Constructed from BPA-free, rust-resistant, food-grade materials that meet safety standards and ensure durability, this press is also dishwasher-safe for convenient cleaning. And the complete 3-piece set includes a silicone peeler that effortlessly removes garlic skins by simply rolling, along with a cleaning brush that helps clear out any small bits stuck in the holes, allowing you to prep, peel, crush, and mince garlic in seconds. And beyond garlic, it works effectively with ginger, peppercorns, small nuts, and seeds, adding flexibility to your cooking routine. Users appreciate its sturdy construction, smooth operation, and reliable performance even with tougher cloves, making it a dependable and value-packed tool for any kitchen. Number 4. The Kuhn Rikon Epicurean Garlic Press. Stainless steel is a premium kitchen tool engineered for effortless performance and long-lasting durability, featuring an ergonomic lever design that reduces hand strain by up to 60%, allowing you to press garlic smoothly with minimal effort even when handling multiple cloves at once, while its full stainless steel construction ensures exceptional strength. resistance to rust, bending, and everyday wear, making it a reliable companion for years of consistent use. Designed with an extra-large hopper that accommodates both peeled and unpeeled cloves to save valuable prep time in busy kitchens, and equipped with precisely beveled holes that produce a uniform, fine mince that blends seamlessly into sauces, dressings, sautés, and marinades, delivering professional quality results every time. The innovative pull-out sieve simplifies cleaning by releasing trapped garlic bits instantly, allowing for a quick rinse without tedious scrubbing, and users consistently praise its solid, built like a tank construction, smooth operation, and easy maintenance, noting how efficiently it extracts more garlic compared to cheaper alternatives, while its sleek, polished finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen setup, making it not only a high-performing tool but also a worthwhile investment for serious home cooks and professionals alike. Number 5. The KITCHENDAO Heavy-Duty Garlic Press is a powerful and thoughtfully designed kitchen tool built to make garlic preparation faster, easier, and more efficient for everyday cooking. Constructed from high-quality die-cast zinc alloy, it delivers exceptional durability with a solid, premium feel that resists bending or breaking over time, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its extended ergonomic handles provide superior leverage, reducing hand strain and allowing you to crush garlic effortlessly, even when handling larger cloves. Featuring 52 precision-engineer holes, this press produces a smooth, consistent garlic paste ideal for enhancing the flavor of sauces, marinades, and dressings. The large capacity chamber allows you to press multiple cloves at once without the need for peeling, saving valuable prep time in the kitchen. Cleaning is just as convenient thanks to its dual cleaning system, which includes a built-in scraper and integrated pusher to quickly remove residue, and it is fully dishwasher safe for added ease. Designed with a sturdy, easy-grip handle that remains comfortable even with wet hands, this garlic press stands out for both performance and usability, making it a reliable and efficient addition to any modern kitchen. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product's price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.